Hello and welcome back to the Professional Certifications channel. In today's video, we'll explore availability management.
Availability management.
Overview: Availability management is a critical component of ITIL practices, ensuring that IT services are consistently available as per the needs and requirements of the customers. This discipline focuses on the design, implementation, and maintenance of systems, services, and components to meet the organization's availability goals and ensure services are available whenever they are needed by customers.
Detailing availability management, this involves
Proactive approach emphasizes the importance of designing and implementing services and systems with availability in mind, reducing the risk of service disruption. Reliability enhancement focuses on reliable service delivery by identifying and resolving issues promptly, minimizing downtime and ensuring the resilience and redundancy of systems. Continuous monitoring utilizes monitoring tools to consistently oversee the availability of services, facilitating the quick identification and resolution of potential issues. Regular analysis conducts regular analysis and assessments to ensure availability targets are met and to identify areas for improvement. Incident management integration works closely with incident management to minimize service downtime and ensure swift resolution of availability-related incidents.
Key benefit. The key benefit of availability management is the enhancement of customer satisfaction and the organization's reputation. By ensuring reliable and consistent service availability, organizations can build and maintain trust with their customers, leading to stronger customer relationships, increased loyalty, and potential new business opportunities.
Additional benefits.
Operational excellence ensures seamless operations by minimizing service downtime and disruptions. Business continuity contributes to the organization's business continuity by ensuring services are consistently available, supporting ongoing business operations. Efficiency improvement identifies and addresses availability-related issues proactively, reducing the time and resources spent on resolving incidents and disruptions. Strategic alignment ensures that availability goals are aligned with business objectives, supporting the organization's broader goals and strategies.
Conclusion: Availability management plays a pivotal role in ensuring the consistent availability of IT services, contributing to customer satisfaction, operational efficiency, and the achievement of organizational objectives.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.